What's happening, YouTube? This is Ted from Off Hook Outdoors, and today I wanted to introduce to you some products that was sent to me by Better Boat. So I'd like to thank Better Boat for sending me these products. First, we have the boat winch strap. This is a 10,000 pound brake strength, so I'm going to be putting that on the boat this weekend, so thank you for that. This is a 2-inch 20-foot winch strap in the blue color, Off the Hook blue. So we got that, so thank you guys for sending that. And then also we got this boat exterior cleaning kit. So let's open it up and I'll show you guys what's in here. Okay, so first off we have the boat soap. That's wrapped in a plastic, so I guess it doesn't spill. So we have the boat soap. We also got a sponge. It looks like we have sort of like a magic eraser style deal, and a microfiber cloth as well. And then also, which is really cool, we have the soap foam gun, which is awesome. So let's take this out and I'll show you guys what this is. So it's got the soap dispenser. I guess you fill this with the soap and you just squirt it, and there's different settings on here. A, B, C, D, E, and then off. So there's a few different settings on here, I'm sure, for the different streams, so we're going to check that out. And then also it comes with a nozzle for your hose, and then you just connect both together like so, and then you have your spray gun to foam up your boat. So I'm going to clean the boat now with this to see how it is, and I'll show you the results when we're done. Like I said, thank you, Better Boat, for sending me this product. I'm really excited about it. Appreciate you guys over there. So I will have the link in the description of this video to go check out Better Boat. So thank you, and we'll see you in a bit. All right, guys, well, there it is. Very happy. Got the mark cleaned up. Very, very nice job. Took off a lot of the dirt and grime. Did it underneath. So we are set. So thank you, Better Boat, for sending me an awesome product. If you guys haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Make sure your notifications are turned on. And like I always say, take a kid fishing or hunting. We want to preserve our sport and pass it on to future generations. And we will see ya.